Hey guys, Sebastian here from Tech Utopia. Let's face it, no one dreams about spending their weekend vacuuming the pool. We want clean water, not more chores, and that's where this beast comes in. This is the Fanttik Aero X. This is not your average robot pool cleaner. It's what happens when drone tech meets water tech, and the result, you get time back in your hands. And I'm not hyping this thing up for no reason. It already won 2025 American Good Design Award winning before even hitting the shelves. The Aero X is the world's first SFSD turbo clean robotic pool cleaner. It's packing two independent systems, rollers and wheels, which means it doesn't just move, it adapts. And is guided by 12 precision sensors, sonars, water immersions, gyroscope, accelerometer, speed, power, you name it. It scrubs, sucks, and slides through your pool like it knows what it's doing, because it does. It's running on Aquapilot, powered by Fanttik's DJI trained R&D teams. That's 12 sensors that's tracking corners, wall, curve. Your pool becomes a map mission, and it executes flawlessly. Powered by TwinFlex cleaning system, the Aero X pairs the Adapt Drive brush that auto-adjusts speed based on grime intensity, with the Swift Cruise mobile platform that embraces pool shapes like it's second nature. With a 15.7-inch brush and a blazing speed of over 1,000 square feet per hour, 1,076 to be exact, the Aero X finishes before your playlist ends. You can even adjust cleaning speed live through an app. Slow for details, fast for fresh up, and cleans. It doesn't just clean, it cleans with purpose. Floors, wall, even the water line.
Most pool vacuums, once they're underwater, you're locked out. But with the Aero X, that floating cable keeps it connected so you can fully control it in real time using the remote.
The included remote runs on 3 AAA batteries. Yes, included remotes. Control movement in all 4 directions, function buttons, adjust brush speeds, mode button toggles between manual and auto. Hold the power button for 2 seconds to start. Single press, pause instantly. App control is just as smart. Tap lift to bring the robot to the surface for easy retrieval, or pull the floating cable, but make sure it's fully extended to prevent tangles. Let's talk result. After one cleaning cycle, look at this. This is what it pulled from just one afternoon. And cleaning the filter, easy. Pop it out, hose it down, done. You can monitor the filter basket in real time for max performance. And when the battery runs low, the Aero X parks itself on the pool side. Ready for recharge, no guesswork, nothing needed. Just pull it out and you can recharge it. And make sure the charging portal is dry.
And if you're nervous like me, first time you're using this thing, don't worry. This thing is beginner friendly, but with professional results.
It even gives you real-time voice prompts when it starts or docks. This works on any shapes of pool, and it just works brilliantly. So the tech lovers out there who want to save time and still get a crystal clear pool, this is the robot you've been waiting for. Right now, Fanttik is running a limited buy one get one free deal. Buy the Aero X and you'll get either $150 W10 chainsaw or $70 C8 nano scissors, totally free. Use the link you find in the description and it will apply a $200 coupon. Then you can use the code for another $100 off. That's $300 off total. It brings it down to $899. In my opinion, this thing is a steal for that price range.
In unboxing, the Aero X felt like opening a flagship device. Well packaged, no wasted space, feels very light. The wheels are super grippy on this thing too. You can feel the traction like just rolling it. It was designed to climb pool walls. And the filter basket, pop it out, pop it back in with ease. This thing is awesome.
That's the Fanttik Aero X. And I'm Sebastian from Tech Utopia. Let your robot clean while you chill with the Fanttik Aero X. Until then, see you folks.